Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Learn English with Narayan. So guys, today was 32 day of my learning English through online. So guys, yesterday I read word power mad book. So today I also read this book and some learn new interesting words. So let's get started. So firstly I open the book page from yesterday I read. So today I read next page and so we open the pages of yesterday reading. So that is here. So today we read season 29. So let's start. Origin or related word. The French drill master Jean Martin was the Inspector General of Infantry during the reign of King Louis S. 61 and a strict stricter stricter more frantic drill master drill master French had never seen. It was from the time that the French army's reputation for disciplined reputation 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 for discipline discipline dated, and it is from the name of the Frenchman. Name of this Frenchman, French man, that we derive derive our English word Martin, Martinet. The word is always used in derogatory derogatory scenes and generally generally shows resentment race resentment resentment and anger on the path of the user. The secretary secretary who call his boss Martinet. The wife who applies applies the epithet epithet to her husband. The worker who thus refers refer to the foreman. Thus refer to the foreman man. These speakers all show their contempt for the excessive inhuman discipline to which they are asked to submit. Contempt contempt, contempt, contempt for the excessive, 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 inhuman, inhuman, inhuman discipline, 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 to which they are asked to submit, submit. Since Martinet come from a man's name, in the brief intermission, brief, brief, brief intermission, 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 which follows, we shall discover that a number of picturesque, picturesque, discover, discover, picturesque, 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 picture, picture, esque, picturesque. English word are similar, derived word, similar, 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 derived, derived, derived. They are no related forms built on the same root. Related, related, related forms, 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 built, built, built on the same root. There is an adjective, there, there is an adjective, adjective, martinetis, martinet, is martinetis, and another noun from martinetism, but these are used only rarely. A Greek think shower, psychopath, psycho, sycophanth, psychopath, psychopath, path, come to us from the Greek according to Ciples dictionary of word origin. Cipli, according, ACCORDING, according to Cipli, SIPLEY, Ciplis, dictionary, DICTIONARY, dictionary of word origin, origins, ORIGINS, origins. The Greek had a name for it, think shower. Psychopath is from gr, psychon, thing, and phanein, to show. This was the fellow of informed the officers in charge, CHARGE, charge with, when the things in the sacred grovers we being taken, or when the Smyrna thing, dealers DEALERS, dealers, were dodging the tariff, TARIFF, tariff. Thus, a psychopath may appear to be a sort of grass, grass, since the latter cures the favor, your favor of police officials, OWICIALS officials, by informing on this fellow criminals, CRIMINALS, criminals. Psychopaths may use this means the ingratiating themselves with influential citizen, INFLU, influential, CITIZEN, influential citizens of the community, COMMUNITY, community. Or they may use flattery, 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 servile attention, servile, servile, ATTENTIONS, attention, or any other form, the insinuating themselves into someone's good grace, themselves, THEMSELVES, selves, into someone's, SOMEONES, someone's good grace, GRACES, grace. A psychopath practice psychopathy, psychopathy has a psychopathic attitude, attitude. All their forms of the word are highly uncomplimentary. UNCOMPLIMENTARY, uncomplimentary. Use them with care. Material may be so delicate or fine in texture that anything behind it will show through. Material, MATERIAL, material. Delicate, DELICATE, delicate. Fine, FINE, texture, TEXTURE, texture. That anything, ANYTHING, anything behind, BEHIND, behind it will show throat, THROUGHT, throat. The Greek prefix adia means throat, and phenein, as you now know, means the show, Hence, such material is called diaphanous. Diaphanous. Do use the adjective in reference to all material that is transparent. Adjective reference 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 to all material 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 that is transparent trans trans parent transparent. For example, example example, you would not call glass diaphanous diaphanous coal glass diaphanous 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 even through thought. Thought. You can see right through it, but only material that is silky, gauzy, filmy, silky, 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 gauzy, 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 filmy, 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 and in addition, 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 transparent, 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 or particularly 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 transparent, transparent. The word is often applied to female garments, night gowns, negligees, etc. just for one's own amusement. Delicate is from the Italian verb delatere, delight. The delinquent write, WRITE, writes, compose, delicate, DILETTANT, delicate, Italian, 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 verb, VERB, delatere, DILE, delatere, to delight, DLIGHT, delight. The delant, DILETTANT, pants, PAINTS, pants, right, WRITES, right. Compose, COMPOSES, compose. So guys, today video we are end here. So video was very long, so please like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you. Dhanyavad.